Redefine Meat, a company that made meat substitutes, had a very creative idea for their meat substitutes and 3D food printing business. An inverted or flipped cow as their trademark. But the EU wasn't buying it. Why? 1. The EU felt that the inverted or flipped cow trademark would actually be deceptive and that many people would look at it and link it with meat products, whereas this was all about meatless options. 2. It also felt that the inverted cow would not have a distinctive character. Since many meat producers use the images of cows for their products, they felt that this would be nothing unique. Redefine Meat's idea was that an inverted cow would indicate a product without meat, but this did not align with the EU's legal requirements. The lesson to be learnt here: trademarks, however creative they may be, must align with legal standards or they are likely to be rejected. If you like this content and you want more of it, don't forget to save, like, share and follow me for more.